As B2B marketers, we have a lot of challenges to face, and one of them is usually resources. And resources take the form of actual budget and staffing. Having a company that really understands and values marketing is extremely necessary for success. And you know what that'll look like, when we say value marketing, what that looks like will be very different for every organization. However, one of the ways that you can ensure success is being the catalyst for your company to highlight their expertise, what they're good at. That is your company, that is your brand. And as a B2B marketer, when you're able to do that and match your brand with demand, then there you have a recipe for success. And that looks very different just depending on the company. For us, our most lucrative lead source is organic search, and that naturally translates to content creation and development. And the responsibility of the marketing department, my team, is to find the avenues for the company to share their experience and knowledge and expertise. That's where, brand and demand, they go hand in hand. Mm-hmm. And that's the secret. That's like that, finding that and hacking that is going to be an indicator of success as a marketer. Once you're able to do that, it's just a matter of execution. I do think that there are two really crucial components in order to set the foundation and to lay the framework for empowering and creating this type of arena for where your team and your team members and staff members can be an extension of your marketing department. And that is communication and trust. They're hired to do a job. So now let them work with you to help you accomplish your job. I do believe that marketing shouldn't just be in the job description of your marketing department. It should be in at least 1% of everybody's job description. And how that looks is just very different depending upon the organization, your products or services, and the identified lead sources. If you don't have the support from your other heads of departments, there's no way that you're going to be successful. You need them to be the champion for your initiatives, or it's just not going to succeed, as they're the driving force behind a lot of those other departments. And then the second pillar would be, it's really dependent on the structure of your organization. Top down does not really play well into empowering your teams and your staff. What you need to do, if that's a concern, it's how do you build that framework of trust and open communication and set the standard of excellence, and then allowing them to play and to function within that framework. Marketing needs to be aligned with business objectives, sales, and account management now more than ever as we fight for budget and resources. I hope that this video had some takeaways that you'll be able to implement at your current companies. And I would love to hear from you and what you guys are doing in order to engage your team as a member of your marketing department. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a great day.